Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3 Animals, Video Part 2. Question number 21. Which among the following does not breathe through gills? So, turtle could not breathe through gills, it just breathe through their lungs, and they can do the butt breathing also. Okay, so option C will be the correct answer. 21 answer is option C. Question number 22. Match the following. Earthworm, it breathe through moist skin. Tadpole breathe through gills. Sparrow breathe through lungs. And grasshopper can breathe through spiracles. So 22nd answer will be your option C. So 22nd is option C. Question number 23. Dash are animals which gnaw their food. Rodents gnaw their food. 23rd answer will be option B. Question number 24. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the migration? It is the mass movement of the animals from one place to another. Yes. It is done to escape harsh weather. Yes. It is done to get extinct. No. Actually, animals just move from one place to another place for their survival. The 24th answer will be option C. That is incorrect. Question number 25. Which among the following animals is not found in polar region? Penguin found in polar region, seal found in polar region, walrus found in polar region. Rattlesnake cannot found in polar region. So 25 answer will be option D. Question number 26. Which is the habitat of the given animal? This is the octopus, and octopus live in ocean. So 26th answer will be option C. Question number 27. Hard covering present on the body of beetle for protection. So this is the hard covering of the beetle, and this is known as cuticle. The 27th answer will be option B. Question number 28. Which among the following is not a breathing organ? The spiracles is in insects, lungs is in mammals, birds, reptiles, these things, and gills is for the fishes. Body surface, like your earthworm, the body surface means a moist skin. The answer will be none of these. 28th answer is option E. Question number 29. Wings of insects are different from wings of birds as they have no feathers, no bones, no strong muscles, all of the above. Actually, the insects' wings are very weak. The 29th answer will be option D. Question number 30. Example of rodents are cow and buffalo. No, they are ruminants. Fishes and seahorse. No. Squirrel and rabbits. Yes, they are the rodents. So 30 answer will be option C. Question number 31. Which of the following can survive without heart? Without heart, none of them can survive. So option E. 31 answer will be option E. Question number 32. Which of the following is not a body covering of any animal? Cell, body covering. Spherical is the breathing organ. Okay. So feather, body covering. Scale, body covering. So 32 answer is option B. Question number 33. The organ present in most of the snakes which help them to move is scales, webbed feet, flippers or wings. So this is your scale. For the snake, scale helps in the movement. So 33rd answer will be option A. Question number 34. I am carnivorous bird and mainly hunt at night. Who am I? I am owl. The 34th answer is option B. Question number 35. Full form of WWF in context of animals is Worldwide Fund. It is your Worldwide Fund. The option C. The 35th answer is it is Worldwide Fund. Worldwide Fund. Option A. Option A will be the correct answer. Okay. The 35th answer is option A. Question number 36. Which among the following is not having webbed feet? So swan, duck and frog, these three can live in water also. That's why they have webbed feet. Parrot does not have webbed feet. 36th answer will be option A. Question number 37. Red data provides the information about endangered plants and animals. So this is option C. The 37th answer is option C. Question number 38. Which one among the following animals does not live in polar region? So, Arctic fox, penguin, polar bear and woodpecker. Woodpecker does not live in the polar region. So 38th answer will be option D. Question number 39. Which of the following do not live in desert? Rattlesnake live in desert, camel in desert, ground squirrel in desert, octopus live in ocean. So 39 answer will be option D. Question number 40. Body of bear is covered with, so you can see it is covered with the fur. It does not have wings, feathers and scales. So 40 answer will be option D. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.